Hi, I'm Gabby, and I'm going to show you how to make fig preserves. So the first thing I have here are some dried figs that have been chopped. And I'm just going to dump those into a small saucepan. And I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. And I'm going to add about a quarter cup of sugar. And I'm going to stir those together. And I'm going to cook this over a low flame for about 1 hour. And I'm going to stir it every 5 or 6 minutes just to make sure that everything's well incorporated. So now that the fig preserves are done cooking, I'm going to show you an easy way to make an inexpensive handmade gift. So I have a clean mason jar, my fig preserves. Okay, and then just cover with a lid. If you were feeling fancy, you could maybe tie a ribbon around the edge. And just think how nice that will be with fresh toast in the morning.